So in today's video, I'm actually down here at Seaport Village, and it's really cool down here. It's located down here in the Embarcadero and not far from the Midway. In fact, there's the Midway, like right over there. And this is coming in from the north, so heading into Seaport Village. We got a pizza place right here. I just love these restaurants that are just like out here on the pilings. I don't think it's open yet, but when it does open, it's going to look really cool. Now this is the actual boardwalk area, and I'm going to take a walk on the inside where a lot of the dining and the shops are. Place is called the Shorebird. Looks like it's not open yet though. Coming soon. I'm gonna take a walk in here. What's this place? Louisiana Charlie's. Let's see how much it is here. One cluster snow crab, 40 bucks. Gumbo fries, 25 bucks. So that's baby back ribs inside, 29 bucks. So that's what you're gonna get here. So this is like probably the main eating area. And let's take a walk around the perimeter. Look at this place. So, continuing my walk around here in the main eating here in the village. So check this place out. It's San Diego Burger. Look at this. Oh, let's see. Chili cheese dog, $8.50. Chili cheeseburger, $10.50. So that's what you're going to be paying at that place. Let's see. This is another one. Looks like a drink place. Nice place though. Very crowded today. It's getting ready to be the 4th of July weekend. So probably got a lot of out-of-town visitors here. You can see everybody eating out here. So I'm walking down the main eating area right here, so check it out. Down this way. Kind of show you around a little bit. What's this place called? The Fudge Factory. Looks pretty busy. And so you got a mixture of Mexican, ice cream places, burger places, right inside here. Check out this historic carousel. That looks really neat. Look at this. So check this out. This is the this carousel right here, and you kind of give you the little history right here. So obviously, let's see, 1895, Fair Park, Texas, original placement. Yeah. And without going further into it, it actually came here in 2004, Seaport Village. So let's check it out. Look at this. That's what it looks like.
Are you going again?
Something really old time. You don't see these too often anymore. So that's pretty cool. Old-fashioned carousel. So continuing my walk around the main area. Look at this. A lot of shirt shops, souvenirs. Let's kind of walk around the main area and see what's around. Look at that shop right there. Different types of flags. Look at this. That looks nice. Good for 4th of July weekend. Very cool. Santa's Workshop. Oh, look at this guy, man. This looks neat. This looks nice. Sinbad the Sailor. Yeah. Very cool. And then right here we got a fortune teller. Nice. So look at that guy, man. It's called the Captain's Cove. You go down on the inside. You got this fountain over here, pretty cool. Look at this. So I just came around these buildings right here and I hit this fountain. There's that flag shop. I just came around there. There's another shirt shop. Oh, look at this sign over here. Maybe I can make a thumbnail out of this. Look at this right here. Seaport Village. Very cool. Well, let's see if I can get the perfect thumbnail. That's what I'm looking for. So right there is kind of like the main area for eating, so forth, all the restaurants, at least in that area of the village, which I just went through, so check it out. That's the main area of the village. And walk over here. We just came in through this way. Louisiana Charlie's. We already passed that, and you're gonna head south on the boardwalk. We got sailboat out there, beautiful. So actually heading south on the boardwalk, and you can actually see Coronado Bay Bridge right up here. And you can see it straight ahead, and over there, and you probably can't see it with this camera, but the Coronado Landing or Glorieta Landing, and you actually can take a ferry over here and get dropped off over at the convention center or on Broadway Pier. So you got a couple different places to actually go, and then just walk here to Seaport Village. So it's easy to get here, easy to park. See, coming up to Embarcadero Marine Park, and you got some vendors up here. Check these, see what's going on here. Got two carriers in the background. Take a walk around the other side. More vendor action. Got some nice craft areas. And let's see, take a walk across this area right here. So there is Embarcadero Marina Park. Psych readers. And we'll take a look over here. I just love these multi-million-dollar yachts. They are so cool. So probably on the most southern area of the village right here, but check these yachts out. These are just so awesome. Look at this. Let's see, take a walk on the inside. Coffee shops, brewing houses. That one's called Spill the Beans. Nice coffee shop. This is kind of just like a patio area here. Got a few shops around here, and much quieter than the other place of the village, but very nice. So this is the end of this video right here. I'm actually on the other side of Seaport Village. There is the sign right here, and this is just a part of the Embarcadero Marina. So I'm actually on the, I would say, the southern end of it, coming from the north, making a circle around the village. And you got some really cool yachts out here. Very nice, beautiful. And I hope to see you in my next video. You know, if you like this content, you know, please consider subscribing. You know, hit the like button. Really helps my channel out. So hope to see you in my next video. So see ya.